Can cats eat egg whites? Yes, cats can eat egg whites, but they must always be fully cooked before serving. Raw egg whites are dangerous for felines. They contain a protein called avidin, which prevents your cat from absorbing biotin, an essential B vitamin needed for healthy skin and coat. Cooking the egg white destroys this protein, making it safe for your pet. When deciding if cooked egg whites are good for cats, remember that they offer a great source of lean protein without extra fat or cholesterol. However, you should never add any salt, oil, butter, or spices, as these ingredients can upset your cat's stomach or prove toxic. If you are wondering whether cats can safely consume egg whites as a regular treat, the answer is only in moderation. Treats should make up no more than 10% of your cat's daily calories. Always introduce any new food slowly to watch for potential digestive issues or allergies. Before adding human food to your pet's diet, consult a qualified veterinarian to ensure it meets your cat's unique nutritional needs. Plain hard-boiled or scrambled egg whites can be a healthy occasional snack that supports your cat's muscle health. Just make sure they are completely cooked and plain every single time.